If you're still comparing the advantages of automation over mechanization, you're ready to examine a brand new advanced automatic molding system from AMS480. The only one in the world right now with 100% software control. A highly flexible molding system equipped for fast cure epoxy process and ready to be linked and lined to other assembly equipment. A system that offers just 15 seconds of cycle time or 4 shots per minute, using small multiple mold sets combining high quality with huge throughput. But before we launch into all the unique features of this complex but uncomplicated automatic molding system, we think we should tell you something about its development, design, and manufacture. The concept we call value engineering. The concept that drives us to do our best for our customers and offer reliable, advanced machines that are easy to operate with logical step-by-step construction, 100% software control for operator interaction, password-protected menus, unmatched flexibility, and inline possibilities. Value engineering. It means giving the customer our technical best, our most advanced engineering, the best value for investment, machines that will deliver long-run reliability no matter what, with service backup that's second to none. Value engineering, AMS480 style, by tradition and into the future. The 480 is a fully automatic magazine-to-magazine molding system. It's equipped with the multi-plunger transfer process and a whole range of important features. Take a look inside and see how the various stages of the molding process have been split logically into step-by-step positions. See how the lead frames and molds move through the machine, how the magazines filled with lead frames are loaded into it. The first magazine, elevated to push-out position for lead frames. The first lead frame, launched on 2 transport wheels, after which a second lead frame is loaded. Now, a vacuum head lifts both frames and transports these to the bottom loading position. At this point, the loaded frames are preheated and the molds are then transported onward via a precision walking beam system. The mold is lifted now from the heater blocks under each set position and transported onto the following station. Here, the lead frame carrying bottom mold is closed with a top mold. Notice how each top mold is equipped with its individual plunger set. But before the mold is loaded with preforms, its preheated plungers are extracted from the top mold. Now, pellet loading commences, simultaneously with the transfer process. A built-in mechanical clamping device provides adequate clamping force during transport from one station to the next. On completion of the transfer cycle, And when part of the curing process is over, the mold set passes on to the curing station, where the process continues. From here, the lead frames are moved to the dismount station, at which point the top mold is removed. It then moves through to the back of the machine and awaits the next sequence. In keeping with this inline process, the bottom mold moves to the next station, where a vacuum head extracts the molding strips and positions them on the degating head for degating. This sequence shows how the frames move into the magazine on the offloading side. The AMS480 is equipped for clear, easily traceable, first in, first out molding operations. Observe how the machine is fed by a loading magazine, while, simultaneously, it fills an offloading magazine at the same time. The return cycle provides time for cleaning of molds and to permit the ejector pins to be pushed back into position. Another unique feature of the AMS480 is incorporated in the return track, located at the back of the machine. Here, the station holds a spare set of mold halves, on standby in a preheated position. This set of preheated mold halves can immediately replace any of the mold halves in the track, when necessary. A feature that permits special maintenance outside of the machine, with no reduction of uptime of the entire system. The AMS480 offers a molding shot speed of 480 per hour and produces more than 6,000 encapsulated devices per hour, dependent on the number of devices per frame. Thanks to its multi-plunger system with individual pressure control, very short runners are possible. The physical dimensions of the AMS480 are small in comparison with a conventional molding system. Parts that require servicing or repair are within hand's reach. The system is fully microprocessor controlled, and the entire process is steered from a central control panel. The microprocessor features both up and downstream communicative capability to permit hookup with a factory host computer. The control panel provides keyboard control for process parameters, temperature, transfer speeds and times, which can be set or even altered during the production process. Actual mold temperature is generated on the display screen, in addition to hydraulic functions, clamping, and transfer pressure. A self-diagnostic alarm mode provides for generation of more than 150 alarms during the process. This provides full information about the equipment and the possibility to reach solutions in seconds via the control panel. All this contributes to minimal downtime, improved quality control, and extremely easy operation. The AMS480 is totally enclosed in a cabinet construction for virtually clean room environmental conditions. Spillage of compound is reduced to an absolute minimum. Another important benefit of the closed cabinet design is that it is no longer necessary to touch the epoxy pellets. These are transported to the machine by clean, compressed air. The pellet feeding system can commence at any distance from the machine, making it possible to position the loading or pelletizing sequence from the compound in a remote area, a feature that ensures a virtually dust-free molding room. In the process area itself, no hydraulics are used to protect products from oil or oil vapors. The AMS480 represents a great leap forward in system integration for a total inline assembly and is ready to be linked to assembly activities. The AMS480, value engineered for advanced semiconductor mold processing, easy operation, and unbeatable yield and throughput.